Are you looking for a good operating system? Today we are going to have a look at FreeBSD. We're also going to have a look at NixOS and figure out which one of them is better. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're jumping into FreeBSD now. So FreeBSD is a professional grade open source operating system. It stands out as one of the most reliable and performance-orientated operating systems available today. As a direct descendant of the original Berkeley software distribution, it continues a legacy of technical excellence and stability that spans decades of development. Having a look at some of their core architecture and some of their core features, you have the monolithic kernel design. So FreeBSD's kernel architecture delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, making it ideal for high-demand server environments and critical infrastructure. The network stack is optimized for throughput, latency, and reliability, supporting everything from small deployments to massive data centers. Pioneering container-like technology provides robust process isolation with minimal overhead, enhancing security as well as resource management. And you get native support for the advanced ZFS file system, offering data integrity, snapshots, compression, and enterprise-grade storage capabilities. They also have quite a few versatile use cases and compatibility, so they are very compatible. It includes the kernel, the drivers, and comprehensive userland utilities, and thorough documentation in a cohesive package. They are very security focused, so their jail environments enable secure independent operation contexts, perfect for multi-tenant hosting and service isolation. It can run Linux and Windows binaries through compatibility layers, expanding software availability beyond just your native applications. Okay, let's have a look at NixOS now. So, NixOS is a revolutionary declarative operating system. Let's have a look. So, you are reimagining system management through pure configuration files written in the Nix language. This means your entire system state is defined in configuration.nix, making systems truly reproducible. Every system change is treated as a self-contained generation, and nothing is ever overwritten. This revolutionary approach ensures system stability even during complex upgrades. Included also, your safe system rollbacks become trivial. You can simply select a previous working generation from the boot menu to instantly restore your system to a known good state. It has customization and flexibility as well, of course, included in their system, so they have system-wide control. This means that you can easily swap kernels, desktop environments, bootloaders, and system services with simple configuration changes that maintain consistency across your entire environment. You can create isolated project-specific development environments with one single config file. Each project gets exactly the same dependencies it needs without contaminating the global system, and system administrators gain unprecedented control over deployments with the ability to version control entire system configurations and roll out changes with confidence. The last thing over here is their unique packaged management and reliability. So first of all, zero dependency conflicts. Each package exists in its own unique directory path based on its complete dependency graph, eliminating the dependency hell common in other distributions. It has symbolic link management, so active package versions are managed through symbolic links, allowing multiple versions to coexist peacefully and enable safe atomic upgrades. It also has enterprise-grade reliability, so you can deploy identical systems across your entire infrastructure using the same configuration, ensuring perfect consistency from development all the way to production. Your previous system generations remain accessible through the boot menu, as I mentioned earlier on, allowing instant rollbacks if problems occur. NixOS has gained widespread adoption for development, CI/CD pipelines, and any scenario where reproducible builds are crucial to success. All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a fantastic roundup, a good head-to-head comparison. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. If you have any feedback, you can leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.